You go back and learn, okay? So this topic is called standard form. So for standard form is this. M equals to 3.2 times 10 to the power 6. Why this is a standard form? Because standard form says is something times something means a times n to the power n. Okay? In this case, the a must be between, that means it must be more than 0, but must less than 10. Okay? So that's why this is called standard form. Okay? Just like the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is in what format? The general format for quadratic equation is a
x.
Okay, so it's ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is quadratic function or equation format. Understand? So n is this. So first they ask mn, right?
Yeah.
Mn means m times n, right? So m times n means this thing times this thing. Okay? So now, this is the m, this is n, in between is times, right? Can you see that you can times these two first? Because they are number, right?
Yeah.
So can you give me the answer? 3.2 times 5, what is the answer?
16.
Very good. And then now you can actually times this. So 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power 7. Can you see you have the same base? Same base multiplication, what do you get?
Plus.
Power plus, right? So 6 plus 7. So therefore 16 times 10 to the power 13. Is this the final answer? Is this the final answer? Not yet. Why? Because standard form says what? The a must be between 0 to 10, right?
Yeah.
Is a here 16? Is it between the 0 to 10? No. So therefore, you need to put 16 is equal to 1.6 times 10, right? 16 is 1.6 times 10, yeah? So therefore, you replace your 1.6 times 10 to 16. That means this one, you replace with this, then you still have the 10 to the power 13. So, can you see 10 to the power nothing means 10 to the power 1? Huh? We talked about it just now, right? It's not 0. So now, can you see you have the common base again? And it's multiplication, right?
Yeah.
So therefore 1.6 copy. So you have the common base, you have times, it means add, right? So this is the final answer. Okay, that's for A. Understand? Next, I'm going to do divide. Divide is the same thing, same concept. M over n is equal to, m is above 3.2 times 10 to the power 6 divided by 5.0 times 10 to the power 7. Can you see you have number divide? So you just do the number divide first. Calculator. (3.2) divided by 5.
0.64.
Good. So there is a times in between. So this is what? Same power. Same base. Power divide. Same base and divide. So power need to minus. So 6 minus 7. So continue. 10 to the power negative 1, right? So you ask yourself, is this in between this range? No, right? 0.64 is not more than 0, right? So you need to get this into more than 0 is 0.64 is equal to 6.4 times 10 to the power negative 1. Okay? So therefore, you replace your 0.64 equals to 6.4 times 10 to the power negative 1. Okay? So you still times the 10 to the power negative 1 because this part is this part. The 0.64 is equal to 6.4 times 10 to the power negative 1. So now Can you see you have common base? And times, what happened? What happened to the same base? Plus, yes. Number -1, -1, -2. Okay, so that's the answer for B. Okay.